Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can fix your Tunkeeper wallet app not working. If you're unable to log in into your account or if you're unable to use your Tunkeeper application, then what you can do is you can try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you could just go ahead and long press on your Tunkeeper application. When you actually long press on that, go to the app info section, and right on this page what you have to do is go to storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache. Now if you click on clear storage, this is going to delete all your data. If you've only backed up, then you can press on clear storage. Then only you'll be able to receive your data after you've cleared your storage. Once you've done that, you can try logging into your Tunkeeper wallet application. If this is still not working out, then you can also try the steps, but for that case you need to have a Telegram account. Since I don't have a Telegram account, so I'm unable to proceed on. So I'm just gonna let you know what you have to do is you need to go to the FAQ section, or you could go to the support, and when you do that, it's going to take you to the Telegram page where you'll be able to see help center. So through there you can just follow the prompt, and the auto message will be sent to you, so you can just read the prompt and follow the instructions. Likewise, this is still not working out, then you can try updating your application as well. If you're using an Android device, then you have to go to your Play Store, and likewise if you're using an iOS device, then you have to go to the Apple Store or App Store, or you have to go to the App Store, and through there you could go ahead and update your application. So this is the way to fix a Tunkeeper wallet app not working out. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.